Hi there. All of us know that kids like ice cream and pudding, right? Well, one day I was watching TV and I saw Bill Cosby making Jell-O pudding for kids, and I thought, how can I create an alkalarian version of chocolate mint pudding? My favorite chef, Charlie Bear Lisenby, is going to be helping me today make his favorite alkalarian dessert, carob mint pudding. So the first thing we need to do is we need to put in an avocado. And I'm going to go ahead and cut up the avocado, Charlie, because I have to use a sharp knife. We want to make sure we have a nice buttery avocado for our pudding into the Vitamix, right? So these avocados are so ready that I can squeeze them right in to the Vitamix and come out with a pretty clean shell. See, I have most of the avocado. And I need to take out my pit. And there, it just pops out. And we're going to squeeze the rest of our buttery avocado. Avocado makes good pudding because it has all those healthy fats in it and lots of potassium like a banana. So it's good for your muscles. Now the next thing we're going to put in is almond milk. And this is original unsweetened by Blue Diamond. We're going to put about a half a cup, because we're going to be making 2 flavors today, so we're only going to be putting about a half a cup of the almond milk in here. I just need to get that little seal off, so we'll shake it up. We'll put in our almond milk. Now you can make your own almond milk out of almonds. We've done that before, haven't we?
Yeah.
We're going to put in our almond milk. Okay, now we will need to put in the flavoring. So I'm going to let you put in 1. This is our carob powder, carob, all natural carob powder. So you can put in 1 of those big spoonfuls of carob in. Not quite that much. Shake a little bit off. Yeah, about that much. That's good. There. So we have our carob. And then I want you to put 2 scoops of soy sprouts in. Soy sprouts will make the pudding glassy and smooth. So 2 scoops. 1, make sure it's full. Good. 1. Good job, Charlie. Do you make this pudding at home sometimes?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Mhm.
It's almost like ice cream, huh? Good. And then I will put in a capful of mint into our pudding. Now you can find this recipe in the Back to the House of Health 2 book or the pH Miracle for our Healthy Weight Loss book. So next we're going to put in a little bit of sweetener. This is our stevia again. I'm putting in about a half a teaspoon into there. And then we need ice. Want to put some in? And that's all we need. Maybe 2 more. That's good. That's good. And 1 for good measure. Okay. Now we're going to turn on the Vitamix to a very high speed. And you'll notice, Charlie, that I'm going to be stirring, 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 stirring with the plunger like this because I'm creating a little whirlwind or a vortex so that the pudding turns over and gets thick. So watch how I make it thick fast, okay? Tell me, ready, set, go.
Ready, set, go.
Okay, as soon as I felt the pudding lift up off the blades, it kind of lifts up off, that means it's done. So, this looks like a fudgesicle, doesn't it? How does it taste?
Good.
Good, huh? That's great. Okay. Well, we can tell that Charlie likes it. And we'll put a little bit of it here in our little glass container. It's good, huh, Charlie? You've had it before? Okay, I'll take a little taste too. Nice chocolate pudding.
If you do a leftover overnight, it tastes
Yeah, you have to make this and eat it right away, right?
Yeah.
And I think we could have put just a little more sweetener in it. So I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit
Then
more
we'll
in
mix
here.
it by
And then,
spoon.
yeah, we'll mix it by spoon and then you can have the rest of this, okay? You did excellent job. Would you like to make another flavor with me? Like maybe lime ginger?
1 second.
There you go.
Cheers. Cheers.
Okay, Charlie Bear, thanks for helping me out. Hi, we're gonna make a pudding today called ginger lime pudding. And I've got my best chef here with me, Charlie Bear Lisenby, who's gonna help me make this pudding. In his home, they make this instead of ice cream. And they get all of the good fats from healthy avocados. And today we're gonna be using hazelnut milk to sweeten up our pudding, and we're going to be putting in fresh lime and ginger. So let's go, Charlie. The first thing that we need to put in is beautiful, buttery avocado. Do you know him?
Avocado.
Do you know Doc Brock?
Yeah, but you know what?
What?
This rhymes. Avocado.
Avocado rhymes with avocado. You're brilliant.
And I have a great idea. Let's see. If you cut that in half, it's 1 out of 2.
It's what?
1 out of 2.
1 out of 2. That's good. Okay, we're going to make this pudding with fresh lime and fresh ginger. Do you want to put those in the blender? Fresh lime and about an inch piece of fresh ginger. Then we need something to make the pudding very glassy and smooth. So we're going to be using super soy
Pudding.
sprouts. And Charlie's going to put in, very masterfully, 2 level scoops of super soy pudding. See how he levels that off? You're so professional. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know. There's so many stuff.
There's so many things. I thought you wanted to be an artist and a chef.
Maybe.
Maybe. Or maybe you'll change your mind by then, huh?
Yeah.
2 level scoops of soy sprouts. Very good, Charlie. Thank you. Now, we're going to put in some green raw stevia to sweeten. And ice, ice, ice. Do you want to put in the ice? Ice, ice, baby.
We'll put in these ones.
Yes.
Then 2 for good stuff.
Yes.
And then 1 for measure.
1 for good measure. Very good, Charlie Bear. Okay. Okay, ready, go.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Sorry.
Go, go, go. Okay, I'm going to take a little taste.
Let me
Oh, it's so good. You taste it.
Right.
Take a taste. It's good. It's like a sherbet, huh? Like a lime
good.
sherbet. It's good. That's great. Okay, put some in this little container for you with your spoon. You can see how pretty colored it is. And thick. It's nice and thick. What a great treat, huh? So it's about not depriving yourself. It's about having healthy desserts and finding substitutions to use instead of acidic desserts so that you can have a treat once in a while, even as an alkaline lifestyle. Okay, there you go, Charlie. Enjoy.
Goodbye.